Okay, this is a quick video just to demonstrate the issue we're having with our Perrin and Rowe Etruscan tap with mixer. The main one is the fact that the water comes out the hose after a certain point. So when you turn the water on, it comes out the tap, and then if you turn it on a lot, then it comes out the hose at the bottom, which obviously not supposed to happen. And the other one is the tap itself. Which usually makes a pretty horrible noise, but for now, because I'm videoing it, it's not doing it, of course. But yeah, that is an issue. So you know, that's just two things out of the few that we've had, unfortunately, with this tap. Anyway, thank you.